Welcome back. We have a bit of a bonus exercise. Now, you can skip over this exercise because it is a little advanced and you most likely won't encounter it in an interview. But for those who are curious, that is how to implement the remove method in here. If we wanted to remove an item from a tree, how would we go about doing it? Now, if you want to try and implement this, I want to give you a heads up. The best way for you to visualize and see what steps we need to do is to go back to Visual Go. Make sure that you move the speed to the slowest so you see what's happening. And you start removing some nodes to see what the logic is in removing nodes. Some steps are really easy. If we wanted to remove one, for example, we simply traverse and find one and just remove it. But then there's other cases that gets really complicated, such as what do we do when we remove 51? Well, if I click play here and say remove 51, well, you'll see that we're going to start traversing to find 51. And notice what happens when we find 51. We actually keep going to 55, and then we keep going to 54. And watch this, we split things and move 54 up. And I know that's really, really confusing. You might want to do this a couple of times to see what the logic is. But essentially what we're doing is we're finding what we want to replace, going to the right of it, then the left, and placing that left item to the top. Like I said, this is going to be a little bit advanced. But if you want to challenge yourself using the Visual Go animation, try to figure out how to implement your own remove method. And in the next video, I'll show you my solution and go over the steps that we take for this to work. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.